Hey guys, so this will be a really quick video. You see I'm in my living room looking over at the kitchen, and I talked in my video last night about how I want to start swapping fans in the kitchen as just like a temporary thing. So I want to hear from you. I want to hear what fans you want to see there in place of the Slimline. They won't be permanent unless I really like it, but it'll be a chance for me to try some different stuff like I used to do in the living room of the condo. So right now my current choices include the brown and brass plain Terra, the ornate Terra with cane blades, that weird Tatung hugger, brown banana fan, brown and brass banana fan. Those are all ones that I have nearby and could do relatively quick and easy. So those are all possibilities. And of course, anything else you want to see, certainly suggest it. And how about a brown Casablanca Classic? That might be cool. Anyhow, just suggest what you want to see, and maybe I'll try it, maybe I won't, but I want to hear your suggestions. Okay, there you have it. Thanks for watching.